departure, Alaska 413, 4.5, climb 5,000.
Alaska 14, Chicago departure, radar contact, and tower just asked me to check your tires. They said that it appears that a tire exploded on the runway.
Check our 413, roger.
Yeah, they said like your indicators or something. They said there's just something on the runway.
Yeah, we have no indications for our tires, but currently 5,000 heading north.
Alaska 14, roger, thanks. Proceed direct pumpkin, climb maintain 15,000.
Proceed direct pumpkin up to 15,000, and if there's any debris on the runway, will you let us know?
Okay, we'll ask.
Thank you.
And departure, this is American 2285, we're level on a 5,000, and we reported that tire, and yes, there was tires, debris all over the runway.
American Flight 285, Chicago departure, radar contact, turn left heading 300, climb maintain 15,000.
Heading 300, climb maintain 15,000, American 2285.
Approach Alaska 413, follow 210, descending via the hood, lane east.
Alaska 413, pulling approach, information Juliet, current altimeter 3008, expect runway 10 right.
We'll plan 10 right, and we have Juliet, Alaska 413, and after they pass the message along, we're precautionary emergency.
Alaska 413A, from the third, expect light precipitation for the next 20 miles, no complaints in the descent.
Great, thank you, Alaska 413. Tower, Alaska 413. ILS 10 right.
Alaska 413, Fort Lee Tower, good morning. Wind 1809, runway 10 right, clear the land.
Clear the land, 10 right, Alaska 413. Was there wind shear reported earlier for the runway?
There was, last arrival reported plus 10 knots.
Okay, plus 10, thank you, Alaska 413. And you are aware of our precautionary emergency?
Affirmative, you're the only one for 10 right.
Thank you.
Alaska 413, thanks. When able, change over to the emergency vehicle frequency 132.275.
32.275.